Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here, beautiful Hagon shock. Okay, Hagon shocks run by Alf Hagon, I believe, or it certainly was. Top of the range guy, knows all about drag racing, had Super Nero back in the day. Also makes the amazing Hagon wheels, which are very good quality as well. You can see here, this isn't a cheap Chinese load of crap. This is a proper forged alley. Okay, you can see here machine threads. And as you can see, this thing is fully rebuildable if you ever needed to, but you won't. We've never ever had an issue with Hagon shocks at all. And as you can see, it's pressurized, which means with normal springs, when you go down an inch, £10, 2 inch, £20, 3 inch, £30, with a pressurized shock, gas shock, the first inch is £8, the next inch is 64. The next inch, to get it to go that extra 1 inch, believe it or not, is 8 times 64. So technically your suspension is way better. You know, it should never bottom out basically. And if you need to wind it up a bit, these are preset for the weights that we specify. They're built, you know, for each customer, rather than just you know, some generic crap from the Far East that doesn't really do anyone at all. So what you do, you undo this Allen key and you can undo that. That will give you less preload, or obviously you can do it up and this will compress the spring more, give you a bit more ride height and more spring pressure. But these are also available with a more up-to-date one with a hydraulic adjuster, which means you don't actually have to adjust this. The preload is done with a hydraulic thing you turn, much like the Harley Davidsons have and some of the BMs. But that's another upgrade that you can have. These shocks aren't crazy money, so if you're interested, they're much better quality than the original Yam, that's for sure, which are always snapping. We've had a couple of guys where they've just completely sheared off, like the owner in this particular case. But we do progressive as well. We do YSS, Wilbers, you know, you name it, we can get it. But I'll be honest, pound for pound, these shocks really are good. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.